Alright guys, we have a quick unwrapping unboxing video and then maybe a try on. We'll see here. Definitely a try on later on, if not immediately after this one. Anywho, another brand, same brand I've ordered from some past recent videos, so JJ Malibu. Their stuff is interesting, has some unique designs, and that's why I mainly order from them. It's not the highest of quality, it's not the lowest either, and it's not super expensive, and they have a lot of selection. So mainly I'm enjoying the different styles and selection they have. And what I got is, honestly, they make good photos, makes good content. So, and they're comfortable, so that's why I bought a bit more. This one is what I have already. Actually, I have both of these exact same cuts, but these are different patterns and colors. Let's start off with the more basic one, but this is JJ Malibu, and there's no description on it, but basically it's a men's thong in like a zebra pattern. So let's open this up. Got the T-back design, red pineapple on back, pouch. What size did I get? This is a medium. 100% polyester, made in China. So medium is a big pouch. Big concern there. But I didn't get the large. This is like my normal routine. I go through different sizing on my videos and debate whether I got the right one. But anyway, zebra pattern, red pineapple. Pretty interesting. I don't think I have a zebra print in my collection, so I got that. And this one is a made in China. Here's the product code, but it's a bodysuit basically. I have one of these in black, and I based on my interpretation, I believe a lot of my fans, my followers, really like the black one. It makes good photos. And this is one in black. Sorry, this is one in blue. What am I doing? White pineapple, blue. It's very thin, almost see-through. And because I typically go with bodysuits, you have to factor in shirt sizes and kind of underwear sizes. I tend to go with large. So underwear is often medium. If it's a bodysuit, I'll go large because it won't fit on the chest or it could pull too much in between if you don't get the right size. So this is kind of fun color. Should take some good photos, some good videos. And probably can't show this one on YouTube. Might be able to show a little bit of the zebra one up front on YouTube, but let's check out the zebra print. Not bad. It has a taller rise in this area, standard T-back. To really get fun content, to see more of this, to see what it looks like, what the fit looks like, check out my OnlyFans. That's where a lot of depth continues from my YouTube channel. And anyways, pretty good brand. I do recommend them. Buy one or two items first, make sure you get the sizing right, and then if you like it, like the quality, you can get more and you'll know what sizing to choose from. So thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, leave a comment. Thanks again, folks.